Amazing auctions continue to produce returns.
September auctions overview. Latest property market report.
The latest Acuitus UK commercial property auction review attracted a wide range of investors to the King's Fund in London to hear perspectives on the commercial property auction sector so far in 2023, with everyone eager to hear what opportunities lie ahead. Economist Malcolm White of BW Investor Services reported that the turnover of retail assets in commercial auctions has returned to the long-term average, while also noting the boom of Greater London properties in sales figures so far this year. Stuart Buchanan of Acuitus Finance painted a picture of what lies ahead for interest rates in the UK, observing that rates were likely to peak at between 5.50% to 5.75% during this year. This is likely to also mean that borrowing rates were slightly lower as lenders were able to reduce their margins to make their products competitive in the current increasingly open market. Acuitus chairman and auctioneer extraordinaire Richard Otterak noted that while there are some questions around who will replace traditional asset owners in certain sectors, such as offices, there is no doubt that the recent corrections to the values versus price balance in turn presents a real opportunity for high-value investors to purchase institutional-grade assets. Richard continued that auctions continue to provide the much-needed liquidity in the current market. Price discovery, he said, was the all-important factor, with vendors happy to consider the new price discovery points, which are in some cases 20% lower than the highest values achieved in 2021-2022. This is in turn providing opportunities for investors at all levels of the market. Looking more closely at the residential sector. On Wednesday, Savills held their second September auction, which raised over £36 million from a mixture of commercial, development and residential lots. This means that they have sold over £85 million of property this month, doubling the amount raised in September 2022. The auction had a 71% success rate, which in turn increases the total amount they have raised to almost £390 million for their clients this year, more than any other individual auction team. Savills auctions director, Jeremy Lamb said, "Yesterday's sale saw 6 of our auctioneers take to the rostrum over the course of the day." Quality, well-priced properties, whether commercial, residential or mixed use, continue to generate significant demand and achieve excellent sale prices. While Allsop Commercial reported, "You can try, but you can't beat the market." There was a good selection of sales across all sectors. The market is ready to buy. However, pricing needs to be realistic and offer value and clear profit potential, as the risk-free alternative gets closer to 6%. At NALC Auctions, we would agree entirely with the sentiments illustrated by the market. In addition, it is always worth remembering, especially in the case of development and added value, asset management opportunities, there will always be some notable exceptions to the rule. This week we find the interest in land with long-term hope value is causing it to fly out the door. This was also illustrated at the Allsop auction in the commercial sector, when a very special lot went on to beat all expectations. Located in Grasmere in the Lake District, it's easy to see why the property did so well. Situated in too tight a town to build too many shops, the advantage of year-round footfall in all weathers and the right tenant for the town Cotswold outdoor. It went on to sell for £582,500, representing 5.2% yield, with 4 bidders battling it out online. Thanks for watching. Please do give us a call for up-to-the-minute advice anytime.